Hello friends, let's paint these lovely pebbles today. I'll be using acrylic pearl paints as these are permanent and very shiny and beautiful. I recently went to a beach from where I picked up all these pebbles and I kept it on my work table near a pot.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays and on.
You can see I'm just applying the colors all over the pebbles. I'll be doing half parts of each of the pebbles first, and when it dries we can do the back portions. Acrylic pearl colors are very shiny and very beautiful and very easy to apply. And the best part is these are permanent colors. We can wash it, we can use it roughly and it will not go away. And it dries very quickly.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So now I'll keep all these transformed pebbles back to its place. Let's see. This is looking much better and beautiful. Like this we can always beautify our workplace and our surroundings. Hope you liked the video and this transformation of these pebbles.